Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to refund items on Roblox. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. As you can see right now, I'm on roblox.com, so of course the first thing that you will want to do is to access roblox.com and then log into your Roblox account, and once you do, you'll find yourself in the homepage right away. Now from here, what you want to do is to take a look at the top right corner of your screen and you will see this Roblox icon. Give it a click, and after that, from this drop down menu, you will want to select the second option that says My Transactions. And what will you see in this page is all your current transactions that you've made. Recently, there hasn't been any transactions in the past 30 days, but when I click onto the drop-down box that says Date Range and select Past Year, you'll be able to see the transactions I've made previously. Or I can click onto the drop-down box that says Type of Transaction to filter through. For example, if I select purchases, I can see what I bought and how much it costed me. So we're gonna go ahead and get refund from this item. You can use this for inexperienced items and game passes, etc. Now go ahead and copy the name of the item, and once you do, you will have to tap on the search box up here and type in roblox.com/support. And this is gonna take you to a contact format that looks exactly like this. You'll have to fill up your personal information. The username and first name are optional. However, the email is necessary, of course. Type in your email that is linked to your account, as you can see. I'm just gonna type in a random email as an example, and then you'll want to go down here to confirm your email. And in this section, you will select which device you have a problem on, for example, PC. And down here, you will have to select which type of help category. You will want to choose purchases using Robux. And in this section, you'll want to choose whether it was a website item, like something you bought from Marketplace, or an inexperienced item, like a Game Pass, for example. I'm gonna choose the first one. And now what you want to do is to come down here to the description box and type in something identical to the following. My brother purchased this item without my knowledge, and this is an item that I don't want. Can you refund this? And then paste in the name of the item, which is in my case the dual dragon heads, and then say a thanks. And once you do, you'll want to go down here and click onto the tab that says continue. Wait about a few hours and you should get a message from Roblox telling you that the item has been refunded. And if you want to check it, you can come here again and to the Roblox icon at the top right corner of your screen, click onto it and select My Transactions. And if the item has been refunded, you're gonna see refunded written here, and within a few days this amount will be back to your account. So that's it, that's how to refund items on Roblox. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.